In conclusion, we've learned about various third-party modules. More to come. Stay tuned as I work on some more for your benefit, and please let me know if you're interested in others or which ones. And I wanted to give you a highlight of some other common third-party modules. Some of these we've talked about already, as I said, but I'd invite you to pause this video and read through these, find some that might be interesting to you to learn about. There's all sorts, and there are thousands upon thousands on PyPy that you can download and use that other people have developed for our benefit. So stay tuned. I hope this gives you an idea of how we can use these third-party modules, download them, then import them into our Python scripts and leverage them for our benefit as we program.